Hi everyone, this is TEJAS. I'm from Goa. Currently working as assistant manager field naval architect in Jana Maritime Solutions, Mumbai. So we had this need for doing surveys of the ships. Okay, so on that basis we are now headed towards this institute of Drone Academy, Telangana, which is best which I have seen in training purposes. The classes and all the faculties which are very, they are very kind, and they help us out in many things. Okay, so I recommend, even if you want to take licenses, you can come back here and just get it. So it was a good experience here, I'll tell you that. And even the place Hyderabad, it is also very good to be here. And so yes, looking forward for my opportunities in this sector which is upcoming, and we should also go for it because India is about to get a drone hub by 2030 at least. So that's what they have planned. So I'll recommend just be a part of it, and that's it.